as always, we're ending the show with a TWILA Boost to brighten your day and hopefully leave you with a smile. If you have farm animals, you already know that they can be very entertaining creatures. And if you're like me, nothing brings a better laugh than a video featuring some of the most comical farm animal bloopers on the internet. See, I told you that would bring a smile to your face. Well, that does it for this edition of TWILA. Be sure to join us next week when we'll show you a great way to celebrate the mothers in your life. Hint, hint, the answer is Louisiana crawfish. Until then, you can watch all of our stories online at twilatv.org, and be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram. You can also find all of these stories and more on our YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe to us and turn on the notifications so you know exactly when we put out new content. For all of us here at TWILA, thanks for joining us. We hope to see you again right here next week.